Okay, so this is the GoPro diving in water test. I have my daughter Melina. She's got it strapped to her head. It's on and recording, and it's time to go. So we're gonna see how this works. Next, we're gonna have baby G give it a trial. You ready next? Cool. Okay.
I literally opened my eyes and I was right there. Alrighty.
About to test the GoPro Hero 10 in water. So I got it strapped to her head with the GoPro strap. Yep, it's pretty bright today. We're out in Arizona, but she's about to dive into the pool. And we're gonna test this thing out, and I'm gonna let you guys see what that looks like as soon as she gets up out of there. So let's go. Whenever you're ready. Here she goes. Hannah. Here she goes. Come over here, come over here. Come over here. It's still recording.
Ooh, is it?
Yeah. Hey, there we are.
I can see.
See, take a look around.
Oh, E.
All right, head test done. Now we're about to do the dive-in test. She's about to dive in with it, holding it in her hand, and we're about to see what that looks like. All right, bet.
All right.
Here goes Molly with the dive-in test.
Ready?
Whenever you're ready.
Ready?
Whenever you're ready. All right, now it's Gary Jr.'s time. We're gonna see him go. We're gonna turn it on. Now we're gonna start it. Okay. All right, now we're gonna get Junior's view. Ready when you are.
So I just go down. I know that was perfect. So I just go down. Perfect. So I just go down. You struggling, G?
Me is doing a flip. It came off again?
Yeah.
So, that was the test with the GoPro Hero 10 with the head strap. Every time that we tried to do a flip, it kind of flung off and just went into the water. So we didn't get a good, slow-mo 360 flip. I'll probably have to readjust the strap a few times and get it right. But for the most part, it did pretty good. The strap weighs it down, obviously, when it gets wet, and it causes it to fall off for any flipping and stuff like that. But for the most part, if you're gonna stay on your feet, it's gonna do a good job. Underwater filming video, successful. Great job, GoPro. Hannah.